Guys, you are not going to believe this. I just unlocked unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro. Wide, tall, square, get any size with a single prompt. Forget those complex tools. Today, we're doing it the smart way. You ready? Let's go. First, head over to lmarena.ai. Wait, don't touch that skip button. I know what you're thinking. Bro, I already know this site. No, you don't. Not this method. If you leave now, you miss the secret loophole that makes this actually unlimited. Just watch. Okay, look at my screen. As soon as you start generating images, suddenly, bam, quota exceeded. Game over, right? Most people give up here or wait for hours, but we don't wait. Here's the trick. Forget logging in. Open a fresh Incognito tab. Go back to the site, pick Nano Banana Pro, and hit Generate. Boom! It thinks you're a totally new person. No login, no credits, zero limits. Hit the limit again, just close the tab, open a new Incognito window, and rinse and repeat. You can do this all day, fam. It's an infinite loop. Now, before I show you how to force the aspect ratio, if this trick just saved your wallet, drop a FLA in the comments. That's Free Learning Academy representing. Let's confuse the algorithm. All right, let's fix that boring square shape. This model is stubborn, so we need to command it. At the very beginning of your prompt, type exactly this. Create 16 by 9 image for, and then your description. This forces the AI to stretch the canvas. Cinematic shots? Easy. There you have it. Unlimited, unrestricted. Smash that subscribe button for more loopholes. Peace.